Hi, I'm Lauren Mills here with Pointe Construction, and I oversee our design department. And we were thrilled when we got the opportunity to partner with the National Association of Women in Construction on the Thomas House Family Shelter project. We donated time and design in putting together the cabinet plan for the apartment that we helped renovate, and we donated the labor and materials to install all the cabinetry throughout the entire apartment, including throughout the kitchen and additional storage areas.
Thomas House was founded by a couple who lived here in Garden Grove. Their names were Mary and Bernie Sells, and that was started back in 1986. Thomas House is a homeless shelter for families, so we provide the shelter units as well as supportive services to help the families get back on track and find permanent housing. Each family participates in case management services where they help to develop goals for them to work on to help them secure their permanent housing. But they also work on career development activities, financial education. They also provide counseling services and youth development services for the kids. Pointe was a pleasure to work with. They jumped right in when we identified a need that we had for this apartment, which was to provide the kitchen cabinets for the unit. And they not only donated the materials, but also their services to install all of the kitchen cabinets. And it looks absolutely beautiful.
Pointe Construction likes to give back to these type of projects because they are giving back to families in that community that we do work in every day.
For Pointe to partner with the Thomas House Family Shelter was really meaningful, and our team really got behind the initiatives that this foundation is putting together. We provide remodeling projects for people all over Orange County, and this was our opportunity to use our expertise to give back to the community, because that's what really matters, that we get to support families and what they stand for here in our local community.
I think the family is going to be just ecstatic when they're able to see the unit, and it already looks so amazing, and once all those final touches are put in place, it's really going to be a beautiful apartment.